Speaking of Francine, the tri-state will see remnants of the tropical depression here soon, and Storm Team 44 meteorologist Jonathan Weaver is tracking the timeline of the showers and how long it'll impact us. Jonathan?
Yeah, she's on her way. So we have impact days starting tomorrow and Saturday. Ben, across the tri-state for some humidity. It's going to be humid. This is a tropical air mass. So one thing you'll notice when you step outside when it's not raining, you're going to say, man, it's humid, it's going to be windy, it's going to be rainy at times, and there's a possibility that we could see some thunderstorms. So we're going to keep our eye on the sky for you. The clouds moved in overnight and throughout the day, so thick cloud cover right now over the bend in the Ohio River, all over the tri-state. It is cloudy, but we are dry, so that is the good news. We should stay dry, most of us, through sunset, so that is the good news. And after that, the rain will start moving in. Over downtown Evansville right now, it is 85 degrees. They're reporting clear skies out at the airport, so you may get a few peaks of sunshine here or there. Winds, you're going to notice, they're going to go up with this tropical system. Right now, coming in from the east at 15 miles per hour. I want to point out this dew point temperature, big differential between the air temperature and the dew point temperature, so that means it's still dry outside. So when I show you the radar here, it looks like there's some green over portions of the tri-state, but a lot from the surface observations, it's not reaching the ground yet because that differential between the temperature and dew point, it's still very dry out there. You got to get it to around a 10-degree difference. So here we are, we're tracking in a live Storm Team 44 Doppler radar. So a lot of cloud cover around, winds coming in from the east. As we go down to the south and west, the bands are starting to come in. So just south and west of Paducah, we have some moderate to heavy rain, mainly on the other side of the border there down in Tennessee. When you look at the surface observations around Hopkinsville over toward Bowling Green, where it looks like it's raining, none of this is reaching the ground yet. So this is why we think we're going to be dry through sunset. There is a chance, we're not going to say you have a 0% chance, but maybe in Madisonville, Princeton, Marion here in the next hour and a half, you may feel a raindrop here or there. Here's what's going to happen. Here's the spin with Francine. So about midnight, 1 a.m., moderate to heavy rain from about Madisonville up to the Ohio River. So here it comes once it's dark. Could hear a rumble of thunder. The winds are going to be up. So have that umbrella handy for your Friday, 6 a.m. wake up. Waves of rain on and off throughout the day, cloudy skies. The winds, hopefully won't see too much wind damage, but they could be gusting upwards to 20, 25, maybe up to 30 miles per hour. So we'll keep our eye on the sky for you. Chance for showers. Maybe Friday night football, we might get a good window where it will stay dry, and then we're going to keep the chances for rain around through Saturday. So cloudy and dry for the next hour or so up until sunset, which is about 2 or 3 hours actually. Temperatures will fall back through the 70s. 66 tonight. The outer bands of Francine move in, moderate to heavy rain on and off throughout the day tomorrow. 83 degrees. It will be gusty, windy, and also on Saturday, some leftover winds, occasional rain here or there. A few leftover showers on Sunday, so we can't say it's going to be totally dry, but Ben, just be ready for some rain, especially tomorrow into early, at least early on Saturday.